Nina bakajinini nomnyama ungabende bezingweni ngonyama ungangamabuye izibazolwandle nothukela libumbene lesikhombisa ihora mbukeli nazi indaba wena woza nendlebe mina ngizozana nendaba ngihlale kuzona ithonto nazi ihamba phambili kusihlwa nje.
Our mission is clear. Our country must be safe for all citizens.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osanda kuqoka usenzo Mchunu uthi ihhovisi lakhe lizohambisa phambili ukubhekana nobugebengu obenzeka emkhakheni wezokwa.
I want to Phalaphela as in the issue of Zizi Kodwa that you've mentioned, as in the case of Maphisa Nqakula, to be put to be concluded.
Umbishop omkhulu webandla lama-Anglican eKapa uThabo Makgoba ucezelela ukuthi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa kumele aphenywe mayelana nesigameko saseplazini lakhe iPharaphara eLimpopo. Mbukeli ngaphambi kokuthi siqale indaba sithanda ukuxolisa kakhulu kubo bonke ngenxa yokungasakazwa kweindaba zehora lesikhombisa izolo kusihlwa njengoba bekuhleliwe siyabaza ubumqoka beindaba zethu kuwe mbukeli kanti sithanda ukwedlulisa amazwi okuxolisa ngokuphazamiseka okube khona siyakwazisa kakhulu kwethenjwa wena mbukeli kanti siyabonga ngokuqondisisa kanye noxhaso lwakho. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa usenzo Mchunu uthi kuzoba seqhulwini ihhovisi lakhe ukulwa namaqembu emgulukudu. Mchunu bebize isithangami nabezindaba ePitoli lapho bezocacisa kabanzi ngezinto ezimqoka ezizosukunyelwa ihhovisi lakhe.
Our Phoyisa kuleli usenzo Mchunu uthi buyanda ubudlova bamaqembu bemgulukudu eWestern Cape. Izifunda okubala eGauteng neWestern Cape zikhonjwe njengezindawo ezinobugebengu obukhulu. Uthi uhlela ukubambisana nenhlangano evikela umphakathi iCommunity Policing Forums yimboni ezokuphepha yangasese ukulwa nobugebengu ezindaweni ezihlonzwe njengezingangenwa kuzo.
We will partner with sectoral organizations such as those protecting the rights of women and children. Faith-based organizations, traditional councils, organized labor and non-governmental organizations dedicated to the fight against crime.
Ubugebengu obuhamba phambili eNingizimu Afrika buhlanganisa ukudlwengula, ukubulala kanye nokuthumba. Ikhomishana yamaphoyisa ithi sibophe amaqembu amane eNorthwest.
Just last week, Friday in Northwest Jubetina, we arrested 4 what we call construction mafia people there that were worrying in that specific area. So we're able to arrest them.
Umphakathi uzwakalise imbono yawo mayelana nezinhlelo zikaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa.
And I think what the Minister of Police should do is actually penetrate where, especially in the metros, there's a lot of crime-ridden places, there's a lot of drugs.
Umchunu uthi amazinga obugebengu ezweni aya ngokwanda uphinde wathi bazogxila ekuqedeni inkohlakalo kanye nodlame oluhlobene nobulili.
Gang violence, we have observed, is also on the rise. Noticeably in the Western Cape, the situation must be brought under control so that children in the Cape Flats, children in Khayelitsha and other areas are safe.
Thula inkulumo yohlelo lokusebenza kohlahlomali luka 2024 emkhandlwini kazwelonke mhla ziyishumi-nesithupha kwephezulu.
Umbishop omkhulu webandla lama-Anglican eKapa uThabo Makgoba ucizelela ukuthi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa kumele aphenywe mayelana nesigameko saseplazini iPharaphara esifundazweni iLimpopo. Uthi lokhu kuyosiza ekucaciseni noma imiphi imibuzo engaphenduliwe.
Bishop Thabo Makgoba ulilungu le-National Church Leaders Forum ebelikhe lathandazela lo rhulumente mtsha uye wazityanda igila ngemiba eliqela aqonda kufuneka ilungiswe ebalula ukuqoshelisa uphando ngalomba wasephalaphala.
I want to Phalaphela as in the issue of Zizi Kodwa that you've mentioned, as in the case of Maphisa Nqakula. To be put on the table, to be we've heard in terms of that. So we don't know what is true and what is not true.
uMakgoba ufuna uRamaphosa aqine umqolo.
I would like to see the president having less commissions, or if he has made a commission, the time frames must be very short.
uMakgoba uthi abavoti mabangaxekwa ngeziphumo zonyulo lukazwelonke kwindaba ze-SABC. Dingubulelani Philip eKapa.
Ongqongqoshe zokubusa ngokubambisana nezomdabu uvele Nkosini Hlabisa uthi ukuhlonzwa kwesifundazwe eWestern Cape njengendawo ebhekene nenhlekelele kusho ukuthi kumele kuhlanganiswe zonke izinsiza ukuze kuliwe neziphepho ekhahlameze ezinye ingxenye zesifundazwe ngesonto ledlule. uHlabisa usho lokhu ngesikhathi ehambele indawo ekhahlamezekile ukuyohlola umonakalo owenzekile.
Ehlola umonakalo odalwe yizikhukhula ezihlasele isifundazwe iWestern Cape, ungqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu uthi njengoba usubonakala umthelela ongemuhle wokuguquka kwesimo sezulu, kuzomela zontathu izinhlaka zikahulumeni zibambisane ukulwa nalenkinga.
The first place where we went to, people who have settled over that area, it is not a conducive area for human settlement because it is below the level. And obviously, as we are living in the times of the climate change, there will always be a problem of water causing floods in that particular area.
Iziphathimandla zesifundazwe zithi kusazothatha izinsuku ezimbalwa ukucacisa ukuthi ungakanani umonakalo.
If I think about the West Coast, there's still so many places that are cut off. There were a lot of parts of the province where helicopters are being used, boats are being used. How do we get food relief to people right now? So we're actually still in the middle of this disaster. It's still being dealt with every single day.
Nakuba iziphathimandla zikwamukele ukuhlonzwa kwesifundazwe lele kepha yokugqunyekwa kwemijondolo ezindaweni ezingafanele.
Cabinet must now prioritize the review of the act because that is how we're going to legally stop individuals from invading and occupying spaces that they shouldn't be.
Njengamanje isifundazwe sisemzamweni yokuhlonza imijondolo egqunyekwe ezindaweni eziphansi nezivame ukuhlaselwa yizikhukhula.
Kulindeleke ukuthi alivule ngolwesine ngokusemthethweni iParliament umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ngaphansi kohulumeni wobumbano iGNU.
May God.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ufungiswe ngenyanga uhulumeni wehlandla lesikhombisa ngaphansi kohulumeni wobumbano. Selokhu kwathi inhloko kuyaqala ukuthi ANC inganqobi ukhetho ngenxaxa yamavoti.
Elect has been duly sworn in.
Maphambilini uhulumeni wobumbano waba khona ngo1994 kepha ngaphansi kwezimo ezihlukile.
I believe that the broad outline I have given and the immediate initiatives I have mentioned will allow you to share my joy at the progress already made by the Government of National Unity.
Yize kunjalo kepha umbuso wachithwa ngemuva kweminyaka emithathu kulandela ukushona kwalowo owabe engumholi weNew National Party uFW de Klerk.
We're not leaving parliament. We're not leaving the legislators, we're not leaving politics, we are just stepping out of the executives.
Izibalo ziphinde ziveze ukuthi ANC siphelelwe isasasa kubavoti njengoba kwehlile ukwesekwa kwayo okhethweni lohulumeni basekhaya futhi yehluleka ukunqoba ukhetho ngamalengiso okhethweni lukazwelonke. Njengoba iGNU yango1994 yaqhubeka kwaze kwaba u1997, abantu baseningizimu Afrika nabo baqaphe ngeso lokhozi ukuthi le nqubo yokuphathwa kwezwe izophumelela yini.
Mbukele sathi qweyitolo noma sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthe.
The SABC's new turnaround plan and the business rescue that is currently underway at the post office will need to ensure that they deliver financial stability of these entities.
Ungqongqoshe zokuxhumana nobuchwepheshe uSolimalatsi uthi uhlelo mayelana nekusasa leSABC kanye nohlelo lokuhlenga iposi kufanele liqinisekise ukuthi le inkampani zime kahle kwezemali. Mbukela sikubingelela sikwamukele uma usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa usenzo Mchunu uthi ihhovisi lakhe lizohambisa phambili ukubhekana nobugebengu obenzeka emkhakheni wezokwakha. Asikhumbuzeke mbukeli ukuthi lezi ndaba ikhona ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus wena okumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Ihhovisi lomgcini mafali yasemukela isigwebo sikalowa usihlalo webhange iVBS Mutual uChiviwa Madodzi. uMadodzi ugwetshwe iminyaka e15 ejele ngeqhaza libamba kukhwatshaniswa kwenziwa inkohlakalo kuphinde kushushumbiswa imali kuleli bhange. Ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana nobuchwepheshe uSolimalathi uthi uhlelo mayelana nekusasa leSABC kanye nohlelo lokuhlenga iposi kufanele liqinisekise ukuthi le inkampani zime kahle kwezemali. uMalathi usho lokhu ngenkathi ethula inkulumo yakhe yokuqala mayelana nesabelo mali emhlanganweni omncane eParliament.
Isabelo mali somnyango singu 3.9 billion amarandi kulonyaka wemali. Cishe 1.6 billion amarandi wesabelo mali ubekelwe iSABC, iCasa kanye nePosi.
The SABC's new turnaround plan and the business rescue that is currently underway at the post office will need to ensure that they deliver financial stability of these entities. A total of 1.6 billion has been allocated for transfers and subsidies to ICT enterprise development and state-owned enterprises oversight to ensure the effective initiatives such as the SAPO Business Rescue, the SABC strategy, and ICASA's regulatory compliance operations.
Inqubekela phambili eyenziwe kuze kube manje mayelana nokuthuthukisa kwezedijitali ibekwe eThebeni. Ngenkathi kuqhubeka inkulumo mpikiswano, usihlalo wekomiti elisha leParliament uthinte ukubaleka komsakazelo omphakathi.
We have strong policies that will assist us unlock private sector investment in the digital economy. But we're also implementing progressive immigration reforms.
Indleko eziphezulu ezikhokhwa iSABC kokhela iSentech zisayinkinga enkulu. MK Party nayiphawulile mayelana lolu daba oluthinta iSABC neSentech.
The bill perpetuates economic inequities and fails to address the needs of the majority of South Africans, particularly our most disadvantaged communities in the rural areas.
Nakuba inkulumo mpikiswano iphothulwe kulomhlangano omncane, ivoti lesabelo mali lethuliwe kusafanele ligunyazwe ngokuphelele.
Kuphazamisekile ukufunda nokufundisa ezikoleni ezishagalolunye eMaraiti eduze kwaseHeziviyo esifundazweni eMpumalanga. Abazali bathi umnyango wezemfundo wavala isikole iHalemile Secondary ngale kokuxhumana nabo emva kokuhlaselwa izigebengu ezayiphethe ibhamu uNhlangulana. Abazali bavale zonke izikole endaweni kusukela ngesonto ledlule befuna ukuba kuvulwe iHalemile Secondary.
Isikole iHalemela Secondary isiphenduke isizinda sobugebengu. Ngenyanga edlule kusolwa ukuthi izigilamkhuba zahlasela othisha nabafundi bacekela phansi ingqalasizinda yesikole. Abazali bakholelwa ukuthi umnyango wezemfundo uvalele isikole ngaphandle kokukhulumisana nabo.
Thina sibatali sifuna abantwana bayesikolweni. Babo teacher bahleli bahamba bayosayina eseketi. Uma basayina eseketi bangayibofundisa abadala. Bangayibofundisa lento le iyenda ukuthi sine sidideke.
Abafundi bakamatikuletsheni bathwele kanzima ngalesi simo.
Isafeke kakhulu because jina nyalo angathi usoyena njani ngoba isikolo sethu sivaliwe.
Inyunyana yothisha isakile malungana nokuphepha kwabafundi nothisha.
We know that already in that school two teachers had to take a long leave because of trauma, and I know that now in June I'm told that two also have been hospitalized due to trauma. So in other words, we view the school now as unviable.
Umnyango wezemfundo uthi uzoxhumana nabazali malungana nekusasa lesikole kanti kubikwa ukuthi akhona amathuba ukuthi sivalwe unomphela lesikole.
We have started a consultation process to close the school with the community and parents, and this was a loving arrangement from the department because the school has got a very low enrollment, and the area where the school is situated is in the outskirts where they were complaining about the issue of breakages and criminal activities that were taking place from the community to the school.
Umnyango wezemfundo usugxekele isisenzo kodwa uthi uzozama ukuhlinzeka ngosizo kubafundi abasalele emuva ngokufunda.
Umbuso uthi usukulungele ukuthi iqala uqulwa kwecala labasolwa abane kwelokuthu kaJocelyn Smith oneminyaka eyisithupha ubudala. Labasolwa abane ukubalwa kubona umama kaJocelyn uKelly Smith bavele enkantolo yemanje yaseFredenburg esifundazweni iWestern Cape namhlanje kusalindwe imiphumela yolibofuzo yabo abasolwa okusolakala ukuthi yatholakala ezingubeni zikaJocelyn.
Ebemaninzi amapolisa ngaphandle nangaphakathi enkundleni nanjengoko abahlali bavuka inja kumaxa ngaphambili phofu bekacapukile nakwesihlandlo xa bevisiwe kwakhona.
Jocelyn has been gone for almost more than 6 months, 5 months now. They haven't given us feedback on the case. Now they keep on postponing the case. They keep on postponing.
As you can see, the community are furious. They are really furious because all the time, every time we come and stand here, no answers. Only postponing case, only postponing.
Kaphakathi enkundleni umbuso uthi kusekho amaxwebhu phando abangekawafumani becela ityala lihlehliswe.
As this court is aware, investigations are ongoing, and in that regard, as forensic evidence is obtained, same is being referred for analysis. So further forensic evidence is outstanding.
uJosh Mke ngutata kaJocelyn nozaqho ukuzokumamela ityala esuke eSpringbok kwiphondo lomntla-ntshona.
I will say yes, that my child has been sold because the mother is on drugs.
Iqumrhu lezotshutshiso lithi kusenokubanjwa nabanye okanye kongezwe izityholo nanjengoko uphando lusaqhuba.
Ewe istate si ready for a trial yokukhumbula uba sibatshaja nge-charges ezimbini, trafficking in persons for exploitation purposes ne-kidnapping. Xa sibuya ke sathi njengoba nditshilo ngaphambili sabe sibanika indictment sibe siyitransfera to a high court case.
Thandiswa Mawu wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Isebenze ngaphansi kwenyunyani nomsa inkampani neIndiza iMenzies Aviation seyingenela isiteleka sikazwelonke. Le nkampani ibhekele kakhulu impahla zabagibeli kanye nanokuthi nabo abagibeli ababe nayingqinamba zemigudu yokugibela ezikhumulweni zeIndiza. Le nyunyani ifuna ukuba isebenze ihola ngehora igcine ihola ke ngenyanga.
Namhlanje silapha eKing Davos Stearman Airport eGqeberha abasebenzi bathi bafuna ukufumana i-working hours ezi-195 yona abaphathi beMenzies Aviation bathi bazonika 105 hours kuphela. Masithethe ngoku noMziyanda Twani osuka kuNUMSA oyi-Regional Secretary apha eMpuma Koloni. Tata zithini izicelo zenu okanye izikhalazo zenu kwi-management yeMenzies Aviation?
Izidingo nezinyanzeliso zabasebenzi balapha eMenzies abasebenza apha kwezi airport zalapha eSouth Africa including naleya lapha eBhayi zezento kuba basic wage ngenyanga basuswe kulo 165 hours ngenyanga ebabeka kwimeko ebucayi ngokomrholo kuphela inyanga ngoba bayachaphazeleka xa bathi xa bethathe i-sick leave zabo zokusebenza ngenyanga nazo zibe kanti ziyacutheka. Ithi ke lonto leyo umrholo wabo uyachaphazeleka umrholo abawuthathayo ukubheka emakhaya namandla abo okuthenga achaphazeleka yehla ngamandla abakwazi ukwenzana.
Umsuba Fundazweni Limpopo uMalisela Mokonyane unethemba lokuthi uhambo lude olubanjwa minyaka yonke uma ngabe kukhunjulwa lo wayengumengameli wezwe Nelson Mandela luzokwazi ukuqhakambisa ingqinamba ebhekene nabantu kwande uthando kuphinde kuqhuquzeleke umphakathi.
Uhambo lwamakhilomitha inkulungwane lizoqala ePolokwane. Mukonyama uzobe nqamula amadolobha amaningana kuze kuphele insuku engaphezulu kweziyi13 ngenhloso yokuhlonipha uNelson Mandela. Uzome Mkopane ngaphambi kokuthi abhekisa amabombe ePitoli kanti eThekwini ilapho lizophelela khona uhambo lwakhe. Mukonyama uthi uhambo lwakhe luyindlela yokuqwashisa abantu ngodlame lobulili kanye nokulwisana nokusetshenziswa kwezidakamizwa entsheni.
The social ills same as the past walk I did last year, the 753 km, and then for this one is 965 kilometers. It's long walk from Polokwane to back to Mpanda.
Konyama owaziwa ngelika King uthi unethemba lokuthi uhambo lwakhe lizoqhuquzela abasebancane nabadala ekutheni bayigcine bese simone sihle.
I urge youth to stay far from drugs.
Abanye abantu bakule ndawo abaqala uhambo nomkonyama bathi bakhuthazekile.
This is very inspirational because if you can see the kind of things that he wants to achieve from the walk, it's all about the social ills.
Umkonyama usenxuse abanye abaxhasi ukuthi babe ingxenye ukuze kuzokwenziwa imali elinganiselwe igidi nezishumi zamarandi ngenhloso kwakhe inkundla yelikanobhutshuzwayo endaweni yangakubo.
Beluphansi uhwebo lerandi emakethe namhlanje. Ipula laseBotswana libiza iJC vale inkomba yezabelo iphansi. Mhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu nomkhushulo wakwamsimanga. Bukuleza kuqala besikuphathele zona sale kahle.